Create project and manage dependencies with Poetry. Poetry combines dependency management, environment management, and packaging into a single tool. This means you don't have to juggle between multiple tools like pip, virtualenv, and setup tools. Poetry in Python. Poetry is Python's answer to npm and yarn, offering similar functionalities like managing dependencies, creating virtual environments, and ensuring reproducibility of projects. It simplifies the Python development workflow, making it easy to create robust applications. Step-by-step method is here. Step 1. Install Pipx. Open your terminal. Install Pipx using pip, python mpip install user Pipx. Step 2. Ensure Pipx's binary directory is in your path, python mpips ensurepath. Step 3. Restart your terminal to apply the path update. Step 4. Run the command pips install poetry. Step 5. To check the version, run poetry version. Step 6. Create a new project with poetry new uit-api-class name uitclass. Step 7. Open the subfolder inside of the parent folder, in this case uitclass. Step 8. Now create a new file named main.py. Step 9. Optional, check the version of Python with the command poetry run python version. Step 10. Poetry add fast-api unicorn, standard. Step 10a. Optional, check the packages inside of the pyproject.toml. Step 11. Write the hello world code in the main.py file. Step 12. Run the server, poetry run unicorn uitclass.main, app host 0.0.0.0 port 8000. Step 13. Open the following URLs.